Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Bumblebee Corner. My name is Lisa. So I have a few things I'm going to show you that I am going to put in my booth this week, either later today or tomorrow. So if you see something you like, you can go to storehouseph.com. That's her website, and she will ship anything to you that you find that you like. So let me go ahead and show you a few things that I have ready to go. Okay, so the first item I have is this really cool, it almost looks like a bugle, but it's a candle holder. I believe it's like cast iron. It's pretty heavy. So I'm gonna go drop that off. And then I upcycled this little riser. So this is pretty cool. I did a little inlay on there. So that would be a perfect riser if you need one of those. And then let me see where this top is. Here's this little wreath. And it's in like one of those tobacco baskets. It was brown, I liked it better white. So I went ahead and painted it. So I'm gonna drop that off. And then just one of these old, I didn't do anything to this, but it's just one of those old Atlas Easy Seal jars. This is like a quart size. So I'm gonna drop that off. Then I also worked and made this. So this was just a tin. And you could, if you wanted to take the jute off, you could do that and actually use it. But I like it as just table decor. I did a stencil on there. And originally everything was blue. And then after I did it, I'm like, it needs red. So I painted the base red. So it's red, white, and blue. Great for 4th of July. I also have this cute little Campbell Soup mug. Just says Campbell Soups Salute America. So I thought that was a cute little mug. And then I have this little chick. It was like a terracotta color, so I kind of painted it up and white waxed it. I thought she turned out pretty cute. And then I do have a bunch of these. This is just a staple that I keep in my booth. They're little positive veggies. So this is like a honey peach. It says I may be tiny, a tiny honey peach, but I believe in you. Go do your thing. And there's a bunch of these that I have in there. This is like positive corn. I don't think these are on the website, but if you reached out to her, if there was one that you wanted, she would get you an invoice and ship it to you. So I think that's all two more things. 4 more things. So this was another book that I did with that same little stencil. And then I just did another flag one. I believe the ones I had in there, I know one of them sold. I'm not sure if they both sold. So there's those. And then I always grab these. These make great little risers or just shelf sitters. Just little old Reader's Digest books. And I love this one. So this is like red and blue. It does show and it has some wear. This would be perfect for like the 4th of July decor, like to put in there. So that's everything that I have as of right now to go in there. So what do you think? Did you have a favorite, or just let me know what you think? Like I said, if there's anything that you want, just go to storehouseph.com. I am working on my own website, but it might be a little bit, I'm not real tech savvy, but I'm going to try to get it up and going. I'm hoping maybe within a couple months, but for now, storehouseph.com. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, all the things. And that's it for today. And I'm going to try to do these weekly, just little odds and ends, things that I'm going to put in my booth. So if you see anything you like, make sure you go shop. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.